Jayden, and we're going to be doing the exploding watermelon challenge. This is how we do it. We take a rubber band, we stretch it over the watermelon, and we keep on adding more until it explodes. Yeah, got scared by Daddy. We're all winning. What was that? You cannot tell, but this thing is getting heavy.
What was that?
Man, why did we even do these challenge? I don't want to do a
You scared me.
a watermelon eating competition.
Sound?
Oh no.
Baby bear.
I got it. I got it.
Good job.
Hey.
Wow. The colorful water doesn't even work.
I didn't buy this powder.
Oh, you see some juice, Alex. You see a little crack right now. Please explode. I think we have to get now we're gonna get swimsuits. So what would we do for knowledge? It would be like a wet pool. If you had a pool. Yeah, sure. Can you feel that? Look at that. It's like, hello. It's over here breaking. Fix me up. Look at its size. You can see half. You can see a little. You can see a little inside of the head. It shouldn't have it. You could see the one breaking. And even this little one. You can see a little. If you can't see the little bit of the shoot. You can see the half of. I'm hungry.
Gonna blow.
Oh, it's a dynamite! No, it's not.
It's gonna blow.
We're probably in the elevator. No, it's not.
Oh!
Oh, went inside! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at my mask, people! Survived! There's a people. Oh, dude, when I put that thing, it went like, not bad at all. It's insane! The watermelon blew up and it turned into a ball and someone. Okay. Daddy! Jayden, no, don't do that. Daddy, he's gonna destroy that. Kiwi. We're doing round 2. Let's see what happens. This thing explodes or may not. No, Dr. Kiwi's here. Cactus is gold size.
Not the seed.
God, how much seed on here?
This is like watermelon.
No. There we have a freshly glass of water.
See if you like.
I know.
We hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel to see more of our videos.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Have a ball.